Hey plant friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to have a look at the new lifestyle collection of sticker books from Live.Love.Posh. I received these sticker books yesterday from the Washer Gang, who is an online shop here in Australia. Their details are below. And these went on sale on Thursday, and I got them on Friday, which is great customer service from them. They have exceptional postage and turnaround of doing their orders. I can't fault them at all. Everything that I have gotten has been here within a couple of days, which is absolutely fantastic. And if I do it via express post, I usually get it a day after I've ordered it. If I order it by 9 a.m. that day, I'll have it the next day, which is fantastic. So let's have a look at each of these sticker books and we'll have a quick flip through them. So the first one is the Floral Fitness book. Now I am going to start back doing a wellness and fitness planner. I've decided I really need to have one in my life, I think. I need to start doing some fitness and some wellness stuff. So I've decided that if I have a planner, then hopefully it may not be such a chore and it may be something I enjoy doing as well. So hence why I grabbed this one. So let's have a quick flip through. So what we've got are the girls here saying you are beautiful, and they're all done out in their gym gear, and they have their water bottles and fitness stuff. Beautiful. And as usual in a Live.Love.Posh books, you get 2 pages of each, 2 pages of each stickers. So, and here we go. Here is some more gym equipment. And this says sweat, smile and repeat. So, and that says you're beautiful, inches don't matter, hashtag you are gorgeous. And I love the colours, pink, purple, aqua, my favourite colours. Okay, and then we go on to some hydrate stickers, some weight day stickers where you could write in your weight, your steps, cardio for your cardio days, going to the gym, and then yoga. And we have another page of that. These are all on paper as well, so they're all paper stickers. Beautiful flowers, love the colours. Sorry, Milo's barking. And here we go into a different colour way here. It says, the mermaid with muscles. Train like a beast, look like a beauty. So this is such a different one. It's got like boxing and stuff there, which is fantastic. Another page that way. And then you've got the same type of stickers in a different colourway. So you've got the hydrate, you've got cardio, you've got steps, workout, gym and meal prep. And then we have some girls with some flowers and a few little boxes and stuff. Okay, then we have another colourway, and this one's gorgeous as well. I mean, this is more, I don't know, it's got the lifestyle, it's got the lotus, and it says gym now, wine later. And it's got the mats and the little weights and stuff, and the what are they called? Kettlebells and shoes, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. So 2 pages of those. Then we have the lotus flowers and the women walking. 2 pages of those. And then we have the hydrate, workout, steps, cardio, weights, meal prep, and not today. Just in case there is a day that you do not want to do it. So there's 2 of those. We then go into this colourway, and it says never give up, be strong. So it's pretty pinks and bluey green. It says unstoppable there. Beautiful little, that looks like yoga mats and stuff, and a treadmill. Same there. And then we have another page with sort of similar stuff. It's got exercise bike, never give up, I can and I will, inhale and exhale. 2 pages of those. And then we come to, we've got some breakfast, lunch and dinner stickers there. Now those are, I think, let me just have a look. Yeah, they're like little individual stickers to do for your breakfast, lunch and dinner, which is good. I don't usually track my meals. I find that's very difficult for me to do. I don't know why, but it is. But I might do it with this. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, groceries. You've got your vitamins, and then you've got 2 of those. And then here you've actually got stickers to have different challenges. So you got a 6-week Kickstart challenge. So you've got week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sorry, Milo's come to join us again, with all different things to do, like jumping jacks, squash, push-ups, crunches, planks, knee highs. And then you've got here a walking challenge, so how much you need to walk. Here is a 15-minute total 15-minute body melt and a 30-minute workout and a 20-minute full body circuit there and a stretch it out. So that's great to pop in your fitness planner or your wellness planner just to get you going. And then you've got some dot points or some dot checklists. That's what I was trying to say, checklists. And then you've got some weights and before and after and some measurements. And you can do measurements on your arms, busts, weights, the waist, hips, thighs, and weight. Then you have some sayings here, which I probably won't read through all of those, but a few of them say your only limit is you, gym now, wine later, believe in yourself. And then these ones have a little bit different ones. Gym now, tacos later. You've got this, peace, love and gym. And that is it. So that, I think, is a fantastic book. And I am happy to, going to be happy to start using that in my wellness and fitness planner. So now we have the Plant Babe book. And we'll do a quick flip through of that. So we have here feathers and cactuses and all sorts of boho-y things, and there's 2 pages of that. Ooh, I find it hard to flip the pages. Oh, come on. I know that there's another page there, see? And then we have more cactuses and more like a guitar in like a dusty rose colour with the turquoise, which is beautiful. 2 pages of that. And then we have a home, happy at home page with the planter boxes and your bed and a little scene here of a lounge room. 2 of those. And some more of those with a girl on her laptop. Coffee cup with eyes, or with eyelashes I should say. 2 pages of those. And then we have these ones which are beautiful and the little pink. The light pink and the light purple with a planner. And this one says Botanica Coffee Shop. So that looks beautiful. And then we have this one here, which is a little bit more along the lines of a planner, like your desk, your workstation setup, and little paper clips and washies and pens. And that's an iPad with a background on it. You get 2 of those. And then we get some more tropical ones, so some tropical flowers and some tropical girls. Little camera. And then some more here. So you've got the, what are they called? Swimsuits and that. More palm fronds and things. And beautiful dusty pink flowers. So 2 of those. And then we have more like bamboo and palm trees. And another scene down here. I just love these scenes. And a little greenhouse up here. It says Grow a Happy Life and Plant Lady. So you get 2 of those. And then you get Plant Dreams, Grow a Happy Life, Make Your Own Jungle. So these are sort of like more tropical plants. There we go. And then this is like a spa day. Good things are coming there. So you've got the flowers here with it's like a peachy colour and a light blue. Beautiful. And then more of that sort of spa day stuff with the bath and the girl doing meditation. So get 2 of those pages. Sorry, I'm going to be quick because I know I've got another 2 sticker books to go through. And this is tropical again with your palms. And isn't that's a beautiful scene there with the mirror and the cushions and stuff there. So you get plants in a wicker basket. So you get 2 of those. You get this here as well with the terracotta pots and the rainbows with the succulents and cacti. Beautiful, and the little rainbow there. And then we get the quotes at the back. So this is Crazy Plant Lady, a Plantaholic, Plant Mama, I'm a Sucker for Plants. And you get the same on that one as well. So that is the Plant Babe. And the next one is Lux Living. Okay, so I've never seen this colour palette before, but it looks really cool. So you've got here like your real emerald green and your pink and your gold. Really luxe colours, that I suppose. Lux Living, luxe colours. And you get a little scene there, which is absolutely gorgeous. So you get little decorative stickers as well. Here it comes in with a little bit of the blue, so that's a whole sticker there that you could use along your planner. And this has got the flowers, of course, with the foliage. So there's two of those pages. Whoop, that's nice, that one. Yep, so beauty and sleep on a bed, a little Paris bag, your flowers as well in pinks. Yeah, very, very pretty. Very pretty, two of those. And then another one that ties in with that. So this bit bigger bed scene there, and your jammies and beauty. And then you've got your notes book and that. And two of those. And then we come to more of a Boss Girl and Boss Babe feel. It just says Girl Boss, so you've got washi tape, and you've got boxes, and you've got the workplace or the workstation here, and you've got the bag with the books and everything, and the beautiful flowers. And then we have it again, but we have the girl this time, a little bit bigger flower, more planners and stuff up there. And then we have like a coffee sort of theme with the coffee cups and the coffee station and the girl drinking the coffee and reading a book or looking through her planner, with beautiful flowers again, sort of like a peachy colour scheme, that one. And then we have, this is the more coffee with more of a coffee table with a coffee machine there, and your little coffee tea, sugar and coffee beans. Beautiful. And then we have this one, which is a little bit more fashion orientated, fashion sophistication, I think, with the lady with her coffee and her power bag or power handbag. Beautiful scene down here. Get two of those pages. And then again with the same lady, in beautiful pinks with greens and black. And then you get like a tea party with blue and white checkers, which is really nice, with flowers that are multicoloured, a beautiful bunch of flowers. So it's like not like a Mad Hatter's tea party, but more like a garden tea party. And then we have them here in the the black and white checkers. So is that only one page? Yes, one page of each of those. And then we have a green page with more of a green theme, but it's still along the home office. I'm sorry about the dogs barking. My hubby's outside doing some yard work, and I think they're barking at him. Oh, and then we get some lovely washi here, and some more scenes of an office space and stuff with beautiful flowers. Oh, and then we get more of a, what would this be? Just more of a weekend away type vibe with you in the bath. I don't know if that's a cat on your shoulder in the bath. That's a bit strange. But anyway, yeah, beautiful flowers, and that's a pinky colour, like a peach, a pink and a dark pink, but that's really nice as well. Two pages of those, and then one page of like sayings and stuff, like but first is coffee, this is our happy place. Couple of quotes there. So yeah, beautiful. And the last one I had to show, which is probably the one that I'm most excited for, is the Crafty Planner. Okay, so here we go. Bright planner stickers with, be a rainbow amongst the clouds, and you've got your cup with your pens in it, and another cup with pens and highlighters and donuts. That's pretty cute. And then you go, this is my happy place, and you've got your craft cart with all your stuff in there, and this one says no bad days, so that's really cool as well. And then you get more of an art scene with a lady that's painting some flowers and beautiful colours in these flowers. It's like watercolours is what I would describe it as. And you get your paints and your washi and some flowers, beautiful. And then the sort of same, and these ones are actually like drawing, like they've just been hand drawn, which is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. And then we have this one here, which is Like a Boss. It is green and pink, and it says hello gorgeous, and it's just more crafty type thing, like you've got your craft bag and stuff. And then you've got one here with the cactus and your books, and your, it says you've got this. That's good for your Starbucks coffee. Everyone needs a Starbucks coffee. And then this one here that has all of your that's what your cricket or your other one's called silhouette there, and then you've got all your planner books down there. You've got your keyboard and stuff. You've got 2 pages of that, and then you've got here with all your utensils, and this is peachy, orangey, pinky, purpley colour. It's absolutely fantastic, and I love that on there with the thing. It says Boss Lady and Booked and Busy. And a little bit more in the same colour theme, and she's typing away on there, and more other different things there. And then we have this page, which says hello, and sort of different flowers on this page. Oh no, there's some, they're similar type of flowers. Yeah, they just didn't look the same. Little notes page and your little notebook. Sorry, some makeup, khakis, and then this one, which is more of a gold theme, gold, pink, and black, which is beautiful. It says, "Be scared and do it anyway." Beautiful. And the little lady at her desk working away. 2 of those pages. And then you've got this one, which is real peachy and gold. This is working on your dreams. So it's got sort of like the same similar desk setup here on that one. And then you've got, looks like little folders there and stuff that you'd have on your desk. And then you have this one, which is your pinks and your aquas, and you have boxes and a girl on her laptop and your craft cart. Beautiful flowers, washi tape as well. This one is the same. It says planner stickers, washi pens. And a bigger washi, which is lovely. Another girl on her thing and a cricket. That's that one there. And then at the end you have quote stickers. Sorry, I forgot what they were. Quote stickers. This one says Planner Boss. This one says Live, Love, Craft. Planning keeps me sane. Crafting in progress. My craft room is my happy place. And a few of these ones says, let the planning begin. Crafting is my therapy. Handmade with love. And that is it. So they are the 4 books in the Live.Love.Posh Lifestyles collection. So if you've enjoyed this video, can you please give it a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me.